Foldable phones have been around for a few years now. Rollable phones are still not around, and we've seen plenty of prototypes of what a rollable phone might look like one day. Leave it to TCL to combine both technologies into one. Hi, welcome to Zgadgetreview. Some time ago, TCL showed off what they envision as a foldable, rollable device. And it was just a prototype, it was from a video, it wasn't something that was tangible. Well, that has changed because TCL showed off what it looks like a working foldable / rollable device in China at DTC 2021. This device will actually first unfold, kind of like the Galaxy Z Fold does, and then you can press a button. This video comes from Fold Universe that makes the device unroll towards the left, giving you extra room in your screen. Well, giving you more screen. And it obviously changes the aspect ratio of the screen in order to accommodate whatever it is that you're going to be using for. Because the screen is bigger, it needs to accommodate what the device can do and the way things look. This means that the device will actually fit in your pocket just like a foldable device will do, giving you the extra option of unfolding the device if you want to make it bigger. It kind of solves that issue of having a device that might be too big to carry around. The device grows to the size pretty much of, it looks like an iPad. It seems that the device uses that rollable screen on the outside. Once you fold it, at the very end of the video, you can see that the screen turns on the other side, which based on the way it works is the screen that actually unrolls towards the outside. But that, again, as I said before, when I see these kind of concepts, is an issue because as we know, the screens on these devices are very, very fragile. So having a screen that can roll in and out on the outside of your phone when it's going to be in your pocket, when it's going to be held in your hand and maybe dropped and things like that, kind of creates an issue of safety when it comes to how durable that screen is going to be. We don't really know what type of technology they're using here. Of course, we know it's OLED technology for the screen. What I mean by what type of technology they're using, I mean on the outside of the screen. These are some of the things that I think about when I see videos like this, when I go, how are they going to work this out? You know, it's an issue that requires some engineering and problem solving. So I am glad to see that TCL is working on a device like this. Here are what the specs for the device could be if the device became a reality. This comes from devicespecifications.com. According to the website, the company is working on a flexible foldable display that is going to support HDR 1000 with 95% coverage of the DCI P3 color gamut, a peak brightness of 1000 nits, and an effective 5120 by 1440 resolution when fully extended. Refresh rates range between 48 Hz and 240 Hz. It's always cool to see what companies are working on, especially in the mobile space that seems to be moving into cooler form factors. Now the foldable devices are a reality and have become a thing that you can actually buy for a, pretty affordable price, if we can call it that. If we're talking about the Galaxy Z Flip, you technically have a clamshell foldable device that is not super expensive. That foldable devices like the Z Flip are still pretty expensive devices, but as the years go on, prices are going to come down, and one day those devices will probably become the standard. Here's to hoping that TCL actually makes this device a reality, or something like this a reality. TCL has been teasing and showing off different things in the mobile space when it comes to flexible displays, and that is mostly because they're a display company. They do make phones, but they haven't really crossed that threshold into what I will call a premium device. So my thought will be that a foldable device or rollable device will take that space that they haven't gone into yet. What do you think about this rollable, foldable device? Do you think that this will actually become a reality by TCL, or they're just showing us a tech in order to be like, hey, look what someone can do with a foldable device? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for me. Go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. and thank you very much for watching.